Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Now we discuss about the product word segmentation method for handwritten documents based on structured learning. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. Segmentation of handwritten document images into text, lines and word is an essential task for optical character recognition, that is OCR. However, since the features of handwritten document are irregular and diverse depending on the person, it is considered a challenging problem. In order to address the problem, we formulate the word segmentation problem as a binary quadratic assignment problem that considers pairwise correlations between the gaps as well as the likelihood of the individual gaps. Even though many problems are involved in our formulation, we estimate all parameters based on the structured SVM framework. The SVM is nothing but the support vector machine, so that the proposed method works well regardless of writing styles and the written languages without user-defined parameters. Experimental results in ICDER, that is the dataset handwritten images databases, shown that proposed method achieves the state-of-art performance on Latin-based and Indian languages. For the handwritten images recognition, we use only the dataset for the handwritten image. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several images which is undergone for the process. After getting the input image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. The pre-processing is nothing but the getting the binary descriptor for the process. In the binary descriptor, there is the only two values, which is nothing but the zeros and ones. The zero areas are represent the black regions and the ones regions are represent the white regions. After the pre-processing, the line pairing is carried out. In the line pairing, if we have the two or more lines, means the line is paired first. After segmenting the line pairing, the letter segmentation is carried out. In the letter segmentation, the bounding box segmentation is applied for each and every character. After the bounding box segmentation, the feature extraction is carried out. In the feature extraction, we have to apply the LBB feature extraction. The LBB is nothing but the local binary pattern. After extracting the feature, the recognition is carried out. After the recognition, the printed text will be in the document format or in the text format. In the recognition, we use the classifiers for the classification. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, you can see the several files in the left side in the current folder. In that, you can select the main.m file. There are two files. The first one is the main.figure file and the second one is the main.m file. Select the main.m file and right click in that file. You can see the third option, run. Select the third option, run. Now the initial GUI window was opened. In that you can see the several buttons in the left side. This is known as the push button, and the display region is shown in the right side. At the top of the GUI window you can see the file and select the option open. Now select any one image from the dataset. I have selected the 20th image from the dataset. Then click the button view image. After clicking the button view image, the respected image is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. Then click the button image pre-processing. After clicking the button image pre-processing, the pre-processed image is shown in the axis 2 and the axis 3 with the title pre-processed image. The pre-processing step, the image is converted into the binary format. In the binary format, there are two values only obtained. the zeros and ones. The black areas represent the zeros and the white region of the image represent the ones regions. Then click the button split lines. After clicking the button split lines, the new guide window was opened. In that you can mention the number of lines in the input image and then click the button submit. After clicking the button submit, click the button split lines. Now the each and every splitted lines image will be shown in the axis 1. In that we have the 3 lines, so the image is splitted into the 3. Then click the button bounding box. After clicking the button bounding box, the each and every letter will be the bounding box segmentation. After the completion of bounding box segmentation, click the button split character. Now the new guide window was opened. In that you can see the several buttons and the several axes as well as the several table. Now click the button split characters. Now the each and every character will be splitted. The character which is splitted is with the title splitted character. Now the numerical and the alphabets are splitted. Then click the button test feature. The feature is extracted for the each and every letter and the corresponding feature is shown in the test feature table. Then click the button train feature. Then the train feature values are also shown in the table. Then click the button recognition. The recognized output will be in the printed character letter. This image is shown in the axis 3 with the title recognition. Thank you.